Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today we're going to do a quick box opening of a wheel spin from Watchgang's birthday wheel. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing a Spinnaker Bradner. I actually have two versions of the Bradner and I love them both. I love how the light hits the blue in this one, and I just like that little bit of dome in the crystal. Super cool. Love looking at them. And if you're looking at trying to save some money on Spinnaker, Aviate, or Ballast, there's promo codes and discount codes in the notes below. And if you're looking to save a little bit of money with Watchgang, you can click my link below as well. Actually, I don't know that it'll save you money, but you'll get some wheel spin points. Sorry about that. So we'll go ahead and open this up and take a look at it. So their birthday wheel spins, they had two different mystery versions. One was probably the regular tier dollar amount, and then the other one was considered the black tier dollar amount. Now I saved up points. Like I said, if you sign up and use my link below, I'll earn some points and you'll get some free points towards the wheel spin. And so I actually used up my points for the wheel spin. So it looks like I actually have one that the watch box is a little broken here, which has happened to me in the past, and I've been able to reach out and have that taken care of. Let me see if I can. All right, there we go. I was going to say I'm not going to remedy that on screen, and I can probably fix that myself. So I don't know that I'm that worried about it. So this watch would have been considered a black tier level watch. It looks like we have a Cadola. So this wheel spin was equivalent to a $100 wheel spin. There's the model number, CD-1021-33. Let me get some of the plastics off of this thing. I might even pause for a second because sometimes trying to get these plastics undone from the back of the camera is a pain. And actually that went pretty smooth. Just don't have them off the bracelet yet. But we really wanted to take a look at the dial more than anything else. And actually I am liking the look of this one quite a bit for my essentially $99 wheel spin. It looks like we have a nice bracelet, a nice clasp. I do like these multi-link bracelets like this one. More than likely, and I'll have to do some research to see what movement is in this. Let me see what it says on the back, if it gives us any info there. This one looks like it might even be numbered, so I'll definitely have to do some research and follow up on this one because I see a 149, a 190, so who knows, maybe this is a limited production. It says we've got a Swiss chronograph movement. This one might not be too shabby. I might have got a pretty nice one on my wheel spin. Let me pull off my Bradner real quick and we'll throw it on my wrist. Take a look here. So I always like to see, I'm guessing I'm going to need to remove 4 links. Now, more often than not, I've been removing 3 and using micro adjustments, but it does tend to leave it pretty loose. So I have roughly a 7-inch wrist, and I could probably do 4 links on that. And that's how that one actually looks on my roughly 7-inch wrist. Man, I actually really like this one so far. Definitely going to have to do some research on it because I don't know much about the model. Nice rotating bezel. But this one is one that I am going to size and wear for sure. I know I've run through a whole lot of box opening lately and haven't come back with follow-up reviews, and I am working on that one. This one I believe will have a follow-up review because I like this one. So I want to get you guys the information on this one in case you like it as well. Also, I've got another watch from Aviate that we'll be taking a look at soon. So I have some other box openings and some other stuff coming up, so make sure you stay tuned. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.